Vanakkam friends, welcome back to our channel. Recently we have seen a trending month throughout October where Nifty fell down continuously. So what next? That would be the question for everyone in your mind. Let's do our analysis in Nifty after the severe fall. What we can expect next. So before going into the video, newcomers who are seeing the video for the first time, please do subscribe and stay connected to our channel. Also click on the notifications icon because you will get alerts as and when I post a video in our channel. And in the description of this video, I will give our Telegram channel links. You may also get connected over there where we will be sending live market updates during market hours. So for doing our analysis as usual, I have opened our Nifty in daily charts, daily time frame charts. So on Friday, the second support which we have given was 24,079. I believe that is the correct one. So this was the number which I have given, 24,079, and the low was 24,073. So what next after 24,073? We have some global geopolitical tensions like Israel attacking Iran, and they might provide some return attack during the course of the day or maybe on tomorrow or something like that. And barring that, we have our ICICI Bank results to be declared today. I'm not sure whether it is already out or whether it is yet to come. I am speaking by seeing only the charts. So I would say a dead cat bounce is due. 100% sure. A dead cat bounce is due. And during next week, one more thing is it's Diwali week. Generally speaking, generally speaking, during that particular week, Nifty will fall less and rise more. That is how the history states. So if my guess is right, whatever the negative news which may come out of the geopolitical tensions and whatever happens to the other biggies who are coming out with the results, I would say one bounce is due, and that is 100% questionable. Whether sustaining or not sustaining, that is 100% questionable. Whether it will be from Friday's close or there will be a further dip and then a bounce back. To be honest, I want a further fall for Nifty to test this 23,893 zones. If at all I see this level on Monday or Tuesday before 2 p.m., I will jump in and buy Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, all these three. In fact, if I have funds, I can even accumulate Sensex trades also, right? Because if there is a bounce by testing 23,893 odd zones, I am damn sure it will be a 500-point bounce. No matter how fast it comes. Like it may come in 2 days or 3 days or even in 4 days or 5 days. So I used to take that kind of position since it is a month end and we are nearing the expiry. I would suggest it to take it in November series. If Nifty raises up by 500 points, Bank Nifty will raise easily by 1500 points. Fin Nifty, again, it will easily raise by 600 to 700 points. Sensex, as usual, it will be thrice of Nifty minimum. So if Nifty is raising by 500 points, Sensex will easily raise by 2000 points. So, I mean, worst case scenario, 1500 points. So I need a drop on Monday. I don't know, market will be very kind and enough to give me a drop of another 200 to 250 points. But if at all I see a level of like 23,950 odd zones, I will take a position. And my stop loss for this trade will be if Nifty closes below this zone 23,893, closes below that zone, I will exit all my positions in index. I'm not speaking about stock specific here. So I have given you clear levels. And if you ask me what is the resistance that comes in at 100 simple moving average, which is the pink line, 24,611, that will be the resistance. You may ask me, sir, boss, you are saying 23,950 or 900 zones. From there you said 500 points up move, but here it is showing 600 and 700 points kind of stuff. Markets are bound to do anything which we may not expect, right? So this will be the first resistance. If there is to be a continuation from there, Nifty must close above the zone 24,611 or whatever the 100 SMA on that particular day. Only if we close above this 100 simple moving average, we can assume that Nifty will move up further, or else whatever the up move which is going near 100 SMA will get sold into. And on the downside, the support will be at 23,893. If that breaks and closes below that zone, I'm 200% sure this 200 simple moving average will be definitely tested. Definitely. Guys, nobody in markets, I wouldn't say nobody, very rare people in markets can say this much confident that below a particular level, definitely the next level will reach. You may be even remembering during last week, two closes below 50 simple moving average. I was saying slowly Nifty will gradually go and test the 100 simple moving average, and it had happened. Now two closes below for 100 simple moving average. Technically, it must test 200 simple moving average. There is no other go. The only resistance below is 23,893. If that goes, and on closing basis, another 400 points for sure on downside. 400 to 500 points on downside. Generally speaking, I normally trade only on the long side. Very rare, very rarely I used to take shorts or puts. If you ask me, out of 10 trades, I used to trade only one or two on put side. The remaining all will be on call side or on the long side. So I wouldn't do any shorting even if that zone breaks. Instead, I will wind off my long positions and sit quietly for a test of 200 simple moving average to buy again. This is my kind of approach. I don't know about others, because there are many traders who want who's having intention of capturing all the moves of markets, which is very tough, ideally speaking. And moreover, those people will end up paying high brokerage to their brokers. That's all, in my view. If you are too much clever, you can also short, but ensure shorts or longs, whatever you create, they must be exited on time because the VIX is above 13. India VIX is above 13. Whenever India VIX is above 13, whatever the move on upside, it's questionable. At the same time, whatever the move on downside will will or may not give second opportunity to exit. There will be a down move, but it will fall sharply and rise immediately, like how it happened in Bank Nifty yesterday. It was down by some 1,000 points at one particular stage. Maybe we can even see over here whether it is available. Yeah, see this. See the low 50,382, where the previous close is 51,531, which means we were down by 1,200 points at one stage. But the final close was somewhere around 750 points, which means almost 400 to 500 points has been recovered in last maybe 1 hour. So whatever you, whichever side you are, either long or short, just ensure you are exiting your positions on time. Maybe once we get a clear direction, then you can hold your position by trailing stop loss. People who are traveling with me for a long time, they used to know I seriously hate these kind of words: average at lower levels, trailing stop loss. These kind of levels I seriously hate, but there are smart traders who are succeeding in that particular area also, which I am not aware. So that's all we have for our analysis. I am not giving any call or put or any strike prices. I am just giving my levels. 23,893. Just have it in mind. That's how it is. Okay. So that's all we have. Have a nice day, friends. See you all in the next video. Bye for now.